Hi, I'm Coach Eva, your holistic transformation coach. Welcome to this video. I'm so happy that you're here. Today, I'm going to guide you through a simple but powerful breathwork technique. It's called the 5-5-7 breath. It's part of my 5-day to inner peace challenge. So if you'd like to learn more about that, you can check out the link below. Right now, we'll do 10 rounds together, and here's how it works. You will inhale, slowly breathe in for 5 seconds. You will hold your breath for 5 seconds while counting down, and then you will exhale, slowly breathe out for 7 seconds. So the exhale is longer than the inhale. This breath work is incredible for our central nervous system to relax it and to help us slow down, to help us release any tension, to help us move from the stress response, which is the fight or flight, to the parasympathetic mode, which is the relax and digest mode. So when doing this breath work, you can also improve your digestion and make sure that your metabolism is working correctly and you're not, for example, eating under stress. So you can do that anytime you feel like you're about to eat under stress or you're about to do something under stress. You can do this breath work and just move from the sympathetic mode to the parasympathetic mode. So going from stress to relaxation. Let's get right into it, but before we begin, just want to make sure that you are in a seated, comfortable position with your straight back. If you prefer to lie down, that's totally fine too. And if you need a break at any point, you can feel free to pause. All right, let's start. Exhale any remaining air from your lungs and inhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Halfway there. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one, I want you to do it in your own head and count. Whenever you're ready, come back to your normal breath. How do you feel? Notice how each round just helped you sink deeper into that calm, centered state. And this breath work is really simple yet powerful tool to reconnect with your inner peace throughout your day and move you into that relaxation state. So you can re-watch this video daily or whenever you need it, whenever you need a moment of calmness. I'm proud of you for taking this time for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. And you can also connect with me on Instagram at Eva Golan. See you in the next video.